Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your side hustle with ClassPass, detailed guide step by step. To scale your side hustle with ClassPass, start by understanding what ClassPass offers. Research the platform to identify how it fits into your business model. Create an account on ClassPass and explore the available features. Familiarize yourself with the different membership tiers and their benefits. Decide which services or classes you want to offer through the platform. Optimize your offerings based on current fitness trends and customer demands. Schedule your classes during peak hours for maximum visibility. Promote your classes on ClassPass through engaging class descriptions and appealing visuals. Utilize social media to market your ClassPass offerings and draw in new clients. Engage with your existing customer base to encourage them to leave reviews on ClassPass. Consider partnerships with local businesses to enhance your visibility and reach. Use ClassPass analytics to track performance metrics and make informed decisions. Adjust your marketing strategy based on the data to target areas of growth. Monitor customer feedback to continuously improve your services. Stay updated on ClassPass features and changes to maximize your strategy. Network with other fitness professionals using ClassPass to exchange insights and collaborate. Leverage your experiences on the platform to create content that resonates with your target audience. Invest time in building a personal brand that reflects your unique approach to fitness. Continue to refine your offerings as you grow, creating loyal clientele who advocate for your business. Stay committed to providing high-quality experiences that keep clients returning. By consistently optimizing your strategy, you'll effectively scale your side hustle with ClassPass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.